Why SPT? Why social preferencing theater? Because it gives you immediately, and this thing doesn't take longer than 60 or 90 minutes, immediately you have a collective language and a collective perception of what's wrong and broken with the current system and what are potential pathways of moving it into a different direction.
I think a lot of the work that we're doing is helping people get out of living in their conceptual framework. There's enormous wisdom there. What we see or how we see and hear and feel is a direct experience of something. But so often, very quickly, it gets wrapped up in some kind of downloading, some kind of conceptual framework. It means something, and it doesn't stay open. It's like the sense perceptions are like an opening. What we're doing is developing more sensitivity, but it also means that we can trust that more. We don't have to retreat quickly into like what we think about it.